If you cannot properly connect your Bluetooth device to your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, here's what you can do in order to solve these issues, or at least try to solve it. So first we're gonna go to settings and we're gonna choose connected devices. If you happen to have your device in here, then you can try to forget the device completely. So we're gonna do that, we're gonna forget the device. If your Bluetooth device is on, we're gonna turn it off as well. And we can also go to connection preferences and open Bluetooth over here, and we're gonna turn off and turn back on Bluetooth. Now after that we can just go to pair new device again, and we're gonna turn our Bluetooth device back on, and if possible put it into the pairing mode. Now here's another thing: if you cannot use pairing mode on your Bluetooth device, then you want to make sure that your Bluetooth device is not connected to any other device. If it's possible to detect it now, we can select your Bluetooth device over here from the list of available devices, and then we can confirm that you want to pair. Now, if this didn't work as well, another thing that you can do is we can reset Bluetooth settings. So we can go back, and we're gonna go back all the way to settings over here, and then we're gonna go to system, choose reset options, and then we have reset the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and unfortunately we cannot separate these two things. So if you decide to reset the Bluetooth settings, you will also reset Wi-Fi settings. Therefore you will have to reconnect to all your Bluetooth devices and your Wi-Fi networks. So once you choose to reset the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings, and then in this case we want to go back to connected devices, of course, and try to pair your Bluetooth device again. And another thing that is worth mentioning is that you can perform a factory reset of your Bluetooth device. Unfortunately, there is no single method that allows me to show you how to do that for every Bluetooth device, so you need to find a manual or some sort of tutorial for your Bluetooth device to find out how to hard reset it. And once you perform the hard reset, then you can turn the Bluetooth device back on and try to pair again. And hopefully this will work. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.